Hello and welcome to the Roxburghe Group Vehicle Showcase. Today we're showcasing this Toyota CHR design in silver. It's on a 2019 plate, hybrid electric, automatic, just lovely cars these. And because it's a hybrid electric, you can get 74.3 miles to the gallon out of this car. It's incredible. So as you can see, it's got diamond cut alloy wheels. It's a 5-door, very, very popular cars here at Roxburghe. They do not tend to hang around for very long at all. And you can see why, well you will see why as we look around the car. Really nice sized boot, so these cars are perfect for a family, which does have folding seats. Lots of space in the back. It is part leather, this, really nice. Very spacious. Got cup holders there in the door handles. These electric windows, front and rear. Acres of space in the front as well. Really nice, fully adjustable sport style seats there. Part leather again. So many features on these cars. Bring us back round to the front. You've got all-round parking sensors, LED daytime running lights, you've got indicators on the wing mirrors there. Really nice multi-function steering wheel, and this car has done 65,346 miles. So we'll start this car up. Just push button start, and there we go. So you've got this central armrest which lifts up to reveal some storage space and a 12-volt port there. You've got a couple of cup holders, one there and one just here. Your automatic gearbox. Moving up, you've got your climate control, air conditioning, heated seats there you can see, just really nice. And then moving up, we've got your digital display which has got DAB radio. Various other options and settings, obviously connectivity for your mobile phone via Bluetooth to make hands-free calls. You've got built-in satellite navigation, various settings for the car as well that you can access direct from this screen. Put the car into reverse there. You can also see you've got your reverse camera as well as your parking sensors which display in the centre console there. So just a lovely car this. Like I say, they don't tend to hang around very long these. So if you are interested in this vehicle, don't delay. Just visit our website for more information or just give us a call today. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.